In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill out, and how to set the right permissions so your teammate can hit the ground running. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to Settings. You'll find the gear icon in the left sidebar. Inside Settings, open the My Staff section. This is where all user profiles live, and where you can add new ones. Click Add User to launch the new team member form. Begin by entering the first name and last name. Next, add the email address. Make sure this email is accurate. GoHighLevel will use it to send the invitation and login instructions, and it's also the address tied to notifications and calendar invites. If you have it, you can add a phone number as well. While optional, a phone number helps with call and text routing and can be handy for notifications. If your team uses calendars in GoHighLevel, select the appropriate calendar for this person. Linking a calendar ensures any bookings go straight to them, and that availability reflects correctly. Double-check the time zone and working hours in their calendar later to avoid scheduling mishaps. Now add a signature. This is the default sign-off that appears in the user's outgoing emails and certain messages. It helps keep communication consistent and professional. Think of it as the footer for their messages. In the signature field, type what you want to appear, typically the person's name, role, company, and simple contact details. Keep it concise and clean so it looks good across email clients. When everything looks right, click Next to move into permissions. Here, select the role for your new team member. In this example, we'll choose admin. An admin typically has broad access to manage settings, automations, pipelines, calendars, and other account-wide configurations. A user, on the other hand, usually has more limited access focused on their conversations, assigned leads, tasks, and calendars. If you're unsure, follow the principle of least privilege. Start with user and elevate later if needed. Once the role is selected, click Save. GoHighLevel will create the profile and send the invitation email automatically. Let your teammate know to check their inbox and the spam folder so they can accept the invite and set their password. After they join, it's a good idea to review their notifications, availability, and any assignment rules to make sure leads and appointments route correctly. That's it. Your new team member is added and ready to go. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.